Are you looking for the best camera for video? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best camera for video on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Action Cam Overall. The GoPro Hero 11 Black is, bar none, the best action cam you can buy today. It's the latest version of the camera that defined the concept and the most technically advanced. It supports 5.3K 60, 4K 120, and 2.7K 240 frame rates and matches them up with best-in-class stabilization and horizon leveling. A nearly square image sensor boosts picture quality for creators pulling vertical 9:16 frames for TikTok, while its rugged and waterproof build means you don't need an add-on case. The Hero 11 Black is as versatile an action cam as you can find. Surfers, skateboarders, and other X Games participants can strap the camera to their person or board to get first-person views of stunts. Vloggers should appreciate its front-facing color display and media mod accessory system. And 10-bit video, new to this model, is a plus for use in cinema projects. Number 2. Best 360 camera for creators. The Insta360 X3 is the camera to get for dual lens, 360-degree video. It captures an all-around view of the world and gives you the software tools to do interesting and creative things with the video. The camera is waterproof and can survive rough handling, so it's suitable for mounting and capturing action. Creators who want to try their hand at 360-degree capture and the editing techniques that go with it should find a lot to like about the X3. Its HDR video profile handles mixed lighting well, and you can use the camera for special effects shots like Matrix-style bullet time and time-lapse with motion. Number 3. Most innovative design. The DJI Action 2 rethinks the action cam design. It's modular and has magnetic mounting points that let you place the camera in tight spots that quite can't hold a GoPro. You can even use the camera as a wearable body cam with the included pendant necklace mount. Video quality is strong too, with 4K 120 recording available for action and slow motion. If you're looking for a small, wearable camera for travel logs and adventures, the Action 2 is a good choice. The camera's video features are competitive with GoPros and the industrial design is a winner for style-conscious influencers. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 3. The DJI Osmo Action 3 puts the camera tech, with some refinements, from the Action 2 into a familiar design. The Action 3 supports 4K 120 video with stabilization and horizon leveling, plus includes vlog-friendly features like a front-facing touch LCD and clear stereo mic. It's a strong value alternative to the GoPro Hero 11 and can even survive at slightly lower depths of 52 feet. The Osmo Action 3 is a good pick if you're after an action cam, but don't want to spend too much on features you won't use. Its video tops out at 4K, but it can push 120 FPS slow motion, and the waterproof, mountable design is a good match for recording action. Vloggers should take a look too because the stereo mic picks up audio well and the front touch LCD is useful for selfie videos. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black. Now 2 generations old, the GoPro Hero 9 Black remains in the lineup as the budget-friendly option. Number 6. GoPro Max. GoPro's dual-lens action camera uses 2 lenses to record the entire world around it, but can also function as a single-lens action cam. The Max's strengths as a 360-degree camera are its sharp video quality and software reframing tools. That's not to mention the 6 internal microphones that grab the best in-camera audio of any action cam we've tested. As you might expect from a GoPro, the Max is also tough and waterproof, though only to 16 feet. The GoPro Max is a top pick for creators who want a dual-lens 360 camera and care a lot about audio quality. Travel vloggers and others who present to the camera won't have to fiddle with an external mic with this one. and the Max is waterproof to boot. GoPro offers reframing tools for creative edits too, though they're not quite as polished as what you get with the Insta360 X3. Number 7. Insta360 One RS. The Insta360 One RS is an action cam that supports swappable lenses. A unique capability for sure. When we tested a basic kit with a 4K main lens for 16:9 footage and a dual lens 360 module for all-around recording, we appreciated the versatility and creative features. For higher quality recording, Insta360 even offers Leica-branded modules for both single lens and dual lens recording, thus making the camera upgradable. If you can't quite decide between a standard single lens cam and a dual lens 360 model, the Insta360 One RS might be the camera for you. It records pleasing 4K 60 video with stabilization and supports extra-wide 2.35:1 recording. The dual lens module does 5.7K 30 and works with Insta360's excellent editing tools.